using for example and such as. Identification. For example is as example, such as can be interpreted as like, such as the delivery is more relaxed. For example, the presentation is more conventional and formal, usually often found in subject matter text. Giving examples. For example, formal and informal, always comma after it, and some as like, such as informal, no comma after and before it, some as for instance. Structure. For example plus noun. For example plus complement plus noun. Such as plus noun. Such as plus complement plus noun. Social function. To give examples when we want to give better understanding or clearer explanation about something, and to make our idea or point stronger, more clear and understandable. Examples. For example, to mention things in one category. Example, not all mammals live on the land. Some of them live in the sea. For example, they are dolphin, dugong, and whale. To mention things representing previous explanation. Example, there are many things we could do to prevent global warming, for example, by reducing paper usage. To start a sentence and be followed by a full sentence. Example, there are many activities in the morning, for example, the student goes to school. Examples such as, to mention things in one category. Example, girls like to spend much money for shopping such as clothes, makeup, and cosmetics. To mention things representing previous explanation. Example, Kota Santri such as Jombang has many good pesantren. You can choose to study here. To start a sentence and be followed by a full sentence. Example, there are many ways the government can do to reduce flood in the Jombang, such as implementing better water management. It can be used to start a sentence, but not in the middle of a sentence. If you feel your sentence is too long, you can use the for example as a new sentence. However, for example cannot be placed in the middle of a sentence. Yes, this is also one of the fundamental differences between for example and such as. Such as and the object it calls cannot be separate complement. Unlike for example, such as and the object that follow cannot be separated by complements, such as they are, those are, these are, and the like. Such as can be placed in the middle of a sentence. Characteristic of such as in the difference between of example and such as in the placement of such as in sentence. In contrast to for example, which cannot be placed in the middle of a sentence, such as can. It can be separated from the nouns it mentioned using complement. The complements referred to here are the word additional word used for add explanation. After the sentence, for example, you can add the word like they are, those are, and the like to add a sentence statement. And thank you for watching.